Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing hardware and the Switch 2 system. Update the console firmware so it supports third-party wireless adapters. This avoids incompatibility. Next, plug a compatible Xbox wireless adapter or Bluetooth dongle into the Switch dock or USB-C adapter. Make sure the Xbox controller is charged and in pairing mode. Once done, enable Bluetooth on the Switch 2 and open the controller's menu so you can see connection attempts. This prevents wasted retries later. Now you perform the actual pairing sequence and configure inputs. Put the Xbox controller into pairing by holding the bind button until the light blinks rapidly. This announces it to the adapter. On the Switch 2, go to controller's right arrow, add new controller, and choose the connected adapter or Bluetooth device entry. Wait for confirmation. Once paired, run the controller calibration and button mapping to ensure a /B and X/Y match Nintendo layout. If mappings are off, remap in the console settings so gameplay feels natural. Finish by verifying everything works in actual play. Launch a game and confirm vibration, stick response, and button mapping behave as expected. This validates calibration under load. If the controller disconnects or lags, update the controller firmware using the Xbox Accessories app on a PC or phone, then repair. As a reliable fallback, connect via wired USB-C or swap to a confirmed compatible adapter. One key troubleshooting tip: if pairing repeatedly fails, power cycle the Switch 2 and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.